Aji. Here we go, Looby Loo. Here we go, Looby Line. Daddy's not there. Here we go, Looby Loo.
Oo, no, ito sa akin. Iwan niyo ito sa akin.
Ay. Baby girl. It's breakfast time. Woohoo! Ashton! Your happy surprise! Tap! Ganda, guys. You like Daddy's surprise? Mommy and Daddy's surprise? What will you say to Daddy and Mommy? Wow! We say happy anniversary, Daddy and Mommy! What are you bringing? What's that? A boat. Woohoo! Lakas na ng ulan, guys. Yan yung hanggang doon. May mga pool pa yun doon. Doon, pool. Eh, ang laki ng lugar na to, guys. Uulan na. Lakas na ng ulan. Pag dito lang talaga sa resort, doon pala yung daan. Ayun. So, open siya for everyone. Yung pool na to, hanggang doon. Meron pa yun doon. Doon talaga, guys. Yun doon. Mirta nyo, may mga sliding pa doon, oh. Doon, at saka doon. So, yung doon sa amin, sa accommodation, bale, ano siya eh? Pang check-in lang talaga. Yung pool na nakita nyo kahapon. Pang check-in guest lang yun kasi andun yung mga accommodation. By the way, this is the day 2 ng ating biyahe, but this will be the first full day namin dito sa Manuel Resort. By the way, this is in Dipolog sa may Poblacion, I think city ba tawag nila dito? Basta Barangay Poblacion. Andito siya located sa may Dipolog. Pero yung Dipolog kasi nasa dulo eh. Sanay kami doon dumadaan. Actually, yung GPS na kami ni Daddy. We're expecting nga, before magsindangan, yung Manuel Resort. Hindi namin naisip, oh my goodness, nasa Dipolog pala siya. So, malayo talaga siya. So, this is, dumating kami kahapon around 3, earlier than 3 p.m. So, nag-check-in kami. So, yeah, we just had a relax muna. Tapos, this is the full day na andito kami maliligo. Tapos, kakain na kami ng lunch somewhere there na may bubong malapit sa resto nila. Meron naman. And then, balik kami ulit ligo. And, yeah, this will be a full day lang talaga today. Liguan. Pero maliligo ka na talaga, guys, kasi umuulan. That's the good na lang din kasi mas better together than mainit yung araw. Ayun na si Daddy Allen mo, siya kasi Mabi. Galing sila shower. Ayun. Doon na sila. Maliligo na sila. Oh, there, Daddy. Hi! Mabi! Hi! Bye-bye! Oh. Ito na din si Kuya. Magsasliding sila. Ang saya ni Kuya, guys. Ang liit ng tubig. I mean is, mababaw lang yung tubig. Si Mabi andun. Ang saya ni Mabi. Hihi! Si Kuya andun na sa taas. For sure, mag-e-enjoy ang Kuya natin. Mag-e-enjoy talaga ang Kuya. Mga friends doon, no? So, yun na nga. Full day namin ngayon. Maliligo lang. Kain, ligo, kain, ligo. So, that's how it goes. We're happy we're here. Sa picture lang namin na nakikita. Akala ko nga medyo hindi pa convincing sa resort. But, yeah, ang ganda. Maintain din yung pool. Malinis yung kwarto. Yeah, goods. At ang sarap na ng tulog ko. Sabi ko kay Daddy Allen, ganda ng ano nila. Sorry guys for my pants. Ang ganda ng bed nila. Comfy talaga. Si Mabi once din na gising. Straight talaga siya tulog. Ah! Tingnan nyo guys. Nabubuhos pala yung tubig pag puno na. Oh my God! Yun na. Okay din yung accommodation nila. It's just that ang dami na siguro ka-check-in ahead of us. So, sana namin yung malapit lang doon sa pool. Yung sa may mga check-in area pool. Para if gusto ni Ashton maligo, anytime, makaligo sana siya. But, yeah. Buti nga nakapag-book pa ako. That's the last room that I can offer. Kahit pa sabi ko ngayon medyo... Kaya nga sabi ko kahit yung medyo pricey, basta malapit lang sa pool. Sabi sa akin talaga nila. Anyways, maybe next time, babalik kami dito ni Daddy Allen. Pag medyo malaki na si Mabi, around 2 and 3, para ma-enjoy niya din yan, like Kuya Ashton. Medyo takot pa si Kuya Ashton umakyat doon sa taas. Papak-slide sana siya ni Daddy Allen. Hi guys! Hi!
Hello guys!
How is it? How's your swimming? Oh! Grabe man! How's your swimming, little girl? Si Kuya Ashton nadala ng first slide. Hindi siya nakaahon.
Hello guys!
Hi guys! We are in Manuel's Resort! Woohoo! Splashing of water, guys! Splash, splash water, guys! Splash, Kuya Ashton nandun, oh. Lakad-lakad lang siya, guys. Dala-dala niya yung boat niya. The boat is sinking! Woohoo! Ay! Ay! Kasi, sinirada. Ay! Mommy! Sun! Sun is shining! Water! Water! Hello guys! You say hi to the guys!
Hello guys!
Where are you now? What's that? A boat. A boat with a wheel. A boat with a wheel. Go round and round.
It has a funnel at the bottom.
Wow. There's a bubble. Like have an engine, huh?
One eternity later.
What's that?
The music of the dancing style.
Alright. We look for our food, guys. For lunch. Let's go, Ashton. Okay na din. Bit-bit namin ng stroller, oh. Lahat. Dala. Lahat. Bit-bit din namin. Walking, guys. While waiting si Daddy Allen doon, oh, sa pagkain. Diba? Ang laki talaga nito. Dito kami, oh. Woo! It's muddy. Ash, careful. Careful. Oops. Oh no. Dito yung common area nila, guys, for public. Pag hindi ka naka-check-in, dito sila. Kasi pag doon hindi pumapayag yung saan tayo, bawal doon pag hindi naka-check-in. Only for check-in guests. Picking flowers. Bawal yan. Bawal yan. No picking of flowers. Uy, bawal yan. Hala, the kids are enjoying. Woohoo! So glad we made it here. Ang ganda pala dito, guys. So, if you're planning to come here, mas okay pag naka-check-in ka. Pero okay lang din, kasi malayo din eh. So, I prefer mag-check-in kayo pag malayo naman kayo para comfortable, makauwi, rest. Yeah. And you can use all the pool and amenities pag naka-check-in. Right, Baba? Right, Kuya? Did you have fun? It's nice to be here, right? Yeah. Woohoo! Up, down. That's not up. Watch out. Whoopee! Whoopee! Guys, kita nyo na ang baby pots ko. Char. That's not siren. That's a light. Hanap-hanap niya yung siren. May siren kasi dito sa kanila na nagsa-sound, I don't know, every how many hours? Or every end of, starting of the day or end of the day ata lang nag-alarm. Hindi ko lang napansin. What's that? Nose? Where's the nose? Eyes. Where's the eyes? Here. Eyes. Blab. Hands. Is that a hand? Wow. Hand. Ay, dirty. Arte naman yan. Okay. No picking. Come on, let's go, Dada. Ano ba yan? Nag-jump. Let's go, Daddy. Uy. Mahulog ka, guys. Uy. Ay, Daniel, kuya. Oh, bye-bye, kuya. Wow. Maddie. Careful. It's Maddie. Careful. Careful, kuya. Muhali. Whoa, paddle. Oops. Nah. Dirty, ah. Oops. No. Yeah. Where's Dada? Yan. Tuwang-tuwa. Go, Dada. Oh, paddle. Woohoo! Muddy puddle. No, wale. Kuya, you're too big. You won't get wet.
Hello guys. We are at Manuel Restaurant. Mag-lunch muna kami. There's Mami, Ashton and Mabi. There's the view. Ito, patita namin ayaw matulog. Gusto lang maglaro. Kabal ohos kaya durmo. So, hello guys. Good morning. Good morning po ba? Ito po kami ngayon sa Manuel Resort. Mag-lunch muna kami. Katapos na namin mag-swimming. Umabi, want to sleep. Pero lumalaban pa. So, dito muna kami sa labas. Mag-prepare pa sila ng lunch namin. Kuya Aston, there's playing. So, I will show you a little bit of the place. So, very nice here, very relaxing. Relax muna kami pagkatapos ng busy sa work. Mami is also busy at work. So, it's time to relax din once in a while. Tignan nyo naman yung view. Napaka-relaxing. Tapos, nandun yung pool area doon, marami pa mga view. So yun lang, target talaga namin mag-alis muna ng Zamboanga City, mag-relax para ma-refresh ulit ang katawang lupa at ang mga isipan namin. So yun lang, medyo sensahan nyo na ang kulay ni Daddy. Amerikano negro tayong Mabi. So anniversary din pala namin ngayong araw is January 29. 7 years na po kami ni Mami Rhea niya. Strong and kicking. So ito po yung parang gift ko na rin sa kanya. Mag-vacation kami. Vacation, relax, saka mag-enjoy mga bata.
A few moments later.
Walking lang si Mabi, guys. Si Daddy Ale nandyan. At si Kuya Asha doon. Back to swimming. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Okay. So, Mabi's just walking around. Kakagising niya lang. Haba ng tulog niya. Good. Kakain ako ng maayos kasi tulog ang bata. No. Daddy. Hello, Dada. Pika? 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 Poo! Bah! Got you, Daddy. So once again, guys, this is from Akiba. Name niya is Waltz. Mas malaki kasi yung compartment. Dito yung travel chair ni Mabi, yung foldable. Yan yung ang haba. From here to there. Diba? Oh, there's Ash. Mama ha? Si mo ha? Ganda oh. May paint pala dito. Tapos yung paint niya embossed. Parang makapal. Ayan. Yan. At saka parang mas mahaba yung ano nito, higaan. Oh? Parang mas mahaba siya. Saka maganda to, pwede nyo dalhin sa plane. Cabin size. So again, from Akiba, the name is Waltz. Yan. Ganda. Tsaka ano, laki yung footrest nito. Kahit si Kuya at saka si Mabi rested. Hindi ko lang dala yung handlebar na iwan ata namin sa bahay. Pero may handlebar yan, guys. Shake! Shake! Oh! Pika! Pika! Woo! Uh-oh! This is the other side! Pika! 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 Woo! Pika! Woo! Where's Dada? Got you! Again! Hide! Sit! Pika! Pika! Bah! Pika! Where's Daddy? Pika! Poo! Pika Poo! Where's Daddy? Poo! Uh-oh! Wow! Got you, Dada! Etong towel pala, guys, pang pool. Pag naka-check-in kayo dito sa hotel. No! Mag-deposit lang kayo ng 200 pesos each. Tapos, pag i-return nyo, balik lang nila. But at least it's good. Ang laki ng ano nito, towel. What? Gusto niya mag-swim. Park muna kami. Time first muna yung swimming. Look. Kami sa may park. Tingin muna kami. May mga playground dito. May minions. May swing din doon. Oh. Good thing is, may pathway. Kaya yung stroller natin. Look at this stroller. Very sleek. Saka, madali siyang i-maneuver with my one hand. Oh! Meron sila dito kung gusto mo mag-birthday. Tapos exclusive siya, guys. Oh. Playground. Sa loob. Oh, diba? Pag may birthday ka, mag-celebrate ka dito birthday. Tapos, diba? Pwede mga kids dito mag-play. It's good, Ash, right?
I want to be in there.
But it's not. It's not allowed. Come on, walk.
Mommy, but I wanted to play in the playground.
Yeah, we will play in the playground. You can go for a swing. Oh, uncover your body. Put that toy on the stroller.
Why?
Diba, guys?
Why?
Oh, you can go swing. Go. Mabi's already there. Doon ang mag-daddy, oh.
I wanted to play in the playground.
Sige, play ya! Go now. Enjoy. Careful. Yan na si Kuya. Nahayang to. Whoa. Ayo, swing. Ayo, swing. Go for swing. Careful. Hold on. Numagat ben fast. Yan sila. May pig sa likod. Look at the back. The back. Diyan ay pig. Oh. Careful, manawi ang toes. Des chanelas, manlandog ang chanelas.
Agarra na rope. Agarra na rope. Agarra na rope. Agarra na rope.
Rope, other hands.
Agarra na rope, gayot. Parang tayo.
Dele, baka hot. Maybe it's hot. Meron din dito, tuya-tuya. Kigalikal man end, oh. Go! Sige, go! Oh, no may si agua, miedo pa. Chinagalik, kikuan, okay, guys. Ito yung other side. Madami dito, boss. Ito yung mga walk-in. Dami pa dito, guys, oh. Punta doon. Meron din sila pool doon ng mga kids. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Sino ba yan sila? Basta alam ko si Alpi yun, di ba? Ashton, where are you? May basketball sila dito. Doon yung clinic. Hoy!
I can't play Alia.
Come here now. Come here.
Okay, I just play, huh? I will just play,
Ash, Daddy's calling you. May clinic sila doon, oh. Parang hospital bed. Nice. Si Daddy, oh. Papaswing niya yung anak niya. We're going back na sa room, guys. Kalabaw. Going back on the hotel. My chicken. Are you fighting? Clubhouse. Meron sila fitness gym, billiard, dart, fun zone. It's all in here. Oh, may gym pa. Ayan, guys, uwi muna kami. Dalhin na muna namin itong pool towel. Rest muna kami. Tingnan nyo dito, ha. Pakita ko sa inyo. Tahimik ko dito. Kasi dito, exclusive for check-in guests. Dito yung table. Tennis. Lawn tennis. Ano ba to dito? Badminton ata. So, tahimik dito, guys. Rather than doon. Tingnan nyo yung swimming pool dito. Dalawa. Diyan kami kagabi nila Daddy Allen. Ito sana gusto ko dito. Ito yung sinasabi ko, yung sa baba lang. Kaso full na daw. Tingnan nyo, tahimik dito. Tahimik dito. Walang competence. Dito talaga sana maganda eh. Next time. Maybe next time. May, ano talaga sila? Tubig na. Dispenser. Una na yung mag-ama ko. Iiwan na ako, guys. Dito tayo. Sila. Yan, no. Birthday haul. My whole birthday. Happy birthday. Ay, baptism. May baptism sila, guys.
A few moments later.
Good afternoon, guys. What time na, Dad? What time na? 5+ na ng hapon. The family is walking out again. Stroll muna, guys, and then diretso na kami for dinner. May hat. Dala ko yung backpack. Dala ko pa rin tong maliit na bag ni Mabi, si Elsa. Kasi malaki masyado yung diaper bag namin pang travel. Mas better pa rin na yung maliit. Actually, medyo umuulan. Maambon pala. But yeah, may hat naman ng mga kids. Good shot. Kaya ko sa galing. Bobby! What are you doing? Nah, why did you hit the plant? Oh no! Kami pa lang andito guys. Tahimik na ng resort eh. Exit. Huh? I want that sizzling pork. Sisig ba yun? Yeah. Oh no! Okay. Give mama. You break it. Hi guys. Walking muna kami. Walking. Ako pala ang walking. Stroll kami. Yan si Mabi oh. Peekaboo! Ah!
Brum brum.
Brum brum. Alright. Brum brum. Brum brum daw siya guys. Nag-aantay kasi kami ng pagkain. Eh, kaka-order lang ng food. So, yeah. Pinawak-walk ko muna siya dito. Stroll. Pero galing na kami kanina dito. Naglakad siya. Pagod na ngayon. Pinawisan talaga siya. Pawis siya. Umikot na kami doon. Pupunta sa hotel lobby. Tapos lakad siya ulit. Eh, small step pa yan, baby namin. Hindi ba pawis talaga ng bongga? Oh, horse? Horse. Bye-bye, Mabi. Gusto niya eh. So, sinustroll ko muna siya. Para hindi siya ma-bored. Ayaw niya pa kasi doon sa ano niya eh. Sa chair.